Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And if I understand the gentleman right, he's got a bunch of lines and a bunch of other items, rectangles, and he wants to cut them out. He called it trimming. Well, trimming just doesn't work in the weld on this situation. Well, it kind of does, but it takes the item out and is gone. It does do something, but it doesn't do, I think, what he wants. So this is where you're going to use the Intersect tool. Ironically, it even said intersection when I put it in here. But here's the problem. When you do this, you just get one of the lines. That's because there are two items here and you're trying to intersect them. So you've got two different items. If we go and group this together, always make sure you select it all. Go to group. Now, when you put in your intersection, wherever you put it in there, select it all and then intersect it. You get both sets of lines. If I'm understanding him correctly, that's what he's looking for. So you've got to think about when you're intersecting, you can't have like 10 objects because Corel doesn't know what to do. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.